today. Today I'm going to unbox the Dreamebot L10 Pro from Dreametech. This is a robot vacuum and mop with a LiDAR based system. It also has smart 3D obstacle avoidance, and that uses two front facing lasers that scan the room as it goes. It uses two lasers in front of the system to detect objects, and it will avoid them in its path. I've watched a couple of videos on this from other reviewers, and I am pretty surprised at how well it worked in their videos. So I'll be putting this up against all my other robots that have the obstacle avoidance, and we'll judge at the end which one is the best. This one's just going to be a quick unboxing to show you exactly what you get, and then I'll be doing full testing in every way for this robot. So let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see. And also, if you're new, please smash that subscribe button. Believe it or not, only 7.8% of my viewers are subscribed that watch my videos. That's a really low number. I'd really like that to get up if you guys don't mind. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, of course you have your manuals. Quick start guide. Looks like a pretty good sized mopping pad. To me, it looks like it's a little bit larger than most. And this is going to be a force-fed system. Here's the robot vacuum itself. We'll get to that in just a second. Here is the charging station, basic one, just like all the other ones have. Of course, you get the power plug for the charging dock. And you also get an additional side brush. See if the dome clicks. It does click, so that means if it goes under your couch, it'll recognize that it's going under a couch, and if it's too tall, it'll bump this and then it'll back off and avoid it. Otherwise, if the units that do not have this bumper guard, they'll actually get stuck under the couch, and that happened with my Wise robot vacuum. Here's the bottom of the robot. Silicone and bristle roller bar. This is where the mopping attachment goes. As you can see here, this is where it connects to help force feed the water. It is a single side brush system, which I think overall I like better. It feels like it doesn't spread debris around as much on solid floors. Pretty good sized dirt bin overall. Not the biggest, but definitely not tiny either. This does have the mesh that I always talk about now that protects the filter from that very fine dust. Makes the filter much easier to clean, and then it lasts longer as well. So that is it for this guy. That's just a super quick unboxing for you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you like these really fast unboxings, or do you want to be a little bit longer with a little bit more information on it. All my upcoming videos will obviously be showing it cleaning, as well as the obstacle avoidance test. From what I've seen, this one looks to be one of the best as far as avoiding obstacles. So I'm pretty excited to try that out. Again, if you're new, please smash that like button and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I would really appreciate it. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.